That's amazing. Wow. Really in the world now, aren't we? We go into the market.
Here we go.
What is that?
This is going to be one of our porgs.
Hi, pork.
So he's just saying hello to everyone and welcoming everyone onto Batu.
Does pork have a name?
I have called him Hal.
Oh.
His full name is going to be Hal O'Day.
Hal O'Day.
Hi, Hal O'Day.
Thank you.
Thank you. That's fine.
I have yellow, white, purple.
Should I get something here? Or should I wait? No? Okay, I'll wait. Oh, what was that? What's that?
Doc. Pilot error. Got accidentally rerouted. It's on its way back.
Oh, that's our sports. Our sports. Yeah, we were looking for the sports. I gotcha. Sorry. All right, so no sports. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I think we're getting closer to the Millennium Falcon. Oh, this is exciting. I see it.
You guys ready?
Yeah.
We're going 3, 2. You can get to back to thing.
We're heading into Smuggler's Run.
We are.
75 minutes.
And my red plan was the time version.
Oh my goodness.
Two pilots moving in right behind. Behind next to the cooler. Hi, another. Yeah. How will there be? Awesome. Yeah. Sure your mask on me. So we're going to go right behind the pilots. Hi, engineers. You're going to go right behind the gun.
Can we wander around or?
Yeah, you can walk around. Just head back over there after, okay?
All right, sounds good. Oh, wow.
Gunners, we need to defend ourselves. Open fire. Gunners, blast away. Blast. Ah, there it is. After that plane. Flight engineers, fire the humble. Fire the heart. Gunners, fire the heart. Go free. Pilot brakes. Well, my friend, that could have been much worse. Okay, it's much worse. Yes,
That was a
you
landing.
got one. Excellent, my friends.
We made it. We made the exit of the what, honey? We exited hike.
Hey, you guys. Should I buy the stormtroopers a blue milk? In fact, they work harder.
No.
Blue milk? Blue milk and lime.
This is the 18,000th picture Lise has taken.
Yes.
She likes to take the pictures.
Why does that pirate Onaka want the Millennium Falcon?
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
Little twig, get out there! They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake. I have a bad feeling about this.
Okay, that's enough. Thank you.
Alternate route. Who made these two droids anyway?
Here's the plot scene of that team.
If anyone's seen a blaster, now's a good time. The escape pod's just below us. Wait, why? It's bad.
Oh, that's right out of my childhood. Dance Peters.
Awesome.
From Star Wars. Dance Peters. All right, I guess we'll do it a little bit later. See you soon. So try to come back here at night.